Mayfair Lake.
Mayfair Lake?
Yeah.
What kind of cool things are we going to find in Mayfair Lake?
Through my research, I found out there's jasper, agate, petrified wood, opalized petrified wood, and something called micorite.
Micorite?
Yeah.
Now there's a mouthful.
It's agatized cinnabar.
Wow, we'll leave you a definition of that one.
So, come along with us.
Yeah, yippee!
The show's about to begin.
All right, come along with us.
Hey! We're off for the adventure!
Oh, is this not a picture? It's video?
Yep, it's video.
Oh,
Hey!
we love
All right. Look at the lake!
Yeah.
Wow, guys, check this out. Right, we're walking down to go to the lake.
What'd you find?
See it? Right there.
Oh.
Crystal point!
Oh my gosh.
Woohoo!
Will
Let's
you
put it out in the
look at
sun.
that?
Look at that.
all the way down to the
Oh man, this is just walking down to the lake.
Woohoo! And there's the lake. That's where we're going.
Yep, that's where we're going.
Yippee, yippee! What'd you find, CJ? You climbing up there in the hill.
A little itty bitty one, but it's a pretty one. And it looks like amygdaloidal with stilbite.
So check it out, guys. Check this out. This is interesting, right? You see it yet? A couple of things. Right? This. See the sparkles on it? Wow. Interesting find.
Now, don't give up. Come up.
So check this one out, you guys. Look at this. This is kind of an interesting specimen, and I'm not sure I know exactly what it is. It looks like it might be petrified wood. That would be my guess. It's definitely rock. I don't know. We'll check in with it later.
Hi everyone. Too much luck. No. Found a couple things, not much. Oh, there it is.
What's up?
Hey, we made it.
We're gonna find some agates today.
Yes, we are going to find agates.
We're walking to the Newaukum. Okay. Well, I certainly hope that's not a determinant to which way to go. Look at that. Yeah, it's not as bad as a couple weeks ago. We'll do a little pan here and show you our working area. Woo, baby, look at that possibility.
Yep.
Pretty nice.
Get my boots on.
Okay, we're just coming down this big steep trail, and look what CJ finds. What did you find, honey?
Putting on my boots.
Woohoo!
Look at that.
Nice.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Ooh, baby, that's a nice agate. What do we got there? Show me.
So,
Oh, there's another one right there.
yeah, well, there's one right here.
Yeah.
Is that the one you saw?
Yeah, put
Yeah.
it out there so we can see them close. Hey, they're littles, but they count.
Woo!
Heck
Those
yeah.
agates, they're so
All
rare.
right, good job. Okay, do you see it? See the little bit of white band on it? That's what you're looking for. You're looking for little inconsistencies in the rock that give you the clue, hey, I better turn that one over. So let's pick that up. I don't know if you can see the sparkles on that. I'm gonna get it wet real quick. that? Pretty cool all the way around. Got me a sandwich milky agate.
Okay. Now, Kari found something, and I wanted to show you, Janelle. Is if you look down here, can you see it? See that luminous white? Yes. That is exactly it. Now that is Kari's find.
It's lovely.
That's
Ooh,
pretty.
you see the other side?
I know it's water level. I could tell that.
Wow.
Now here's a milky agate.
I saw this guy. They
And
look
I,
like teeth.
I found another one too.
Oh,
Oh, you saw it at the same time as me.
This is a tooth.
I did.
It's got a cavity in it though.
Totally
Oh.
looks like a tooth.
Now,
A tooth with a cavity.
look at the one that Kari
Sorry, guys,
just
no money.
found.
Oh my.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's a nice one.
Yeah,
Pretty.
very nice.
Nice
And it's got
find.
iron staining in the back.
Get a
right?
smile on that girl's face.
Wow, Janelle, what did you find? So I reached down and... Oh my God, girl, look at that. Let's bring it up. Oh, that is awesome. That is blooming. Hold it up in the light for me. Oh, no, over here. Over here. Right here. Right where my finger is. There you go. And show me by a facial expression how happy you are for that.
All right, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get you into pretty cool. I'm gonna push it out here. So you take a look at it. Whoops. That's not right.
It is.
I think it's faker.
What do you think, Janelle?
The sun's hitting it pretty good there. It might be an agate.
So let's pull it up and find out. And sorry, Kari.
Oh my gosh, it is an agate.
Yes, it is. So, unfortunately, you lose. She gets it.
Oh man.
Oh my God, girl!
I just
Dang.
found something good.
The look of the rockhound.
Woo.
Check that. All right, I'm reaching down it.
Oh no.
Oh!
Faker?
Oh my God! Oh, it's an
onion.
Oh man, talk about getting misled. Oh well.
All right. Little one, right? You see it? Let's see if we can go. Pretty neat. Check that out. We'll take that one. Pretty neat. Little one.
What did you find now?
Look, you can see. It almost looks like it's showing
Okay,
kind of.
let's
I know.
stay out of the light.
It almost looks like.
Almost like it's kind of fluorescent. Yeah, it's like luminescent. Yeah. Look at that nice one. Oh! Look at that nice one. That is a tall. Yeah! Woo! See if I can get. Oh, I'm gonna get soaked. Okay, here we go. Oh! That's cold water, and it's.
See it?
No, you're right.
starting to-
You're right in the sun, so I
Oh, am
can't
I?
see it. So if you move over here, I might be able to see it. Oh! Did it? No. Oh wow, Kari.
Yeah.
What is it that you found?
Oh, over here. Look right in here.
Wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. You mind if I grab it? Go look at it. Wow. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful mix of agate and jasper. Look at that. Is that jasper? Or is that... Nope, that's carnelian. You're right. Yeah. Wow. Oh, and it's actually triple tone. I see that. Nope. Agate and carnelian. Wow. Awesome. My little candy corn. There you go.
Okay, so here we are. We did this little thing and I got this clean water running through here so that I can dig away and pick out rocks and agates from this little trough right here. And I've just been digging away at the bank. And you know, in about an hour, this is what I've scored on. Take a look at some of these. Got some petrified wood. Really cool. Really little kind of bluish green agate with jasper. Oh, look at that carnelian. Is that cool or what? Right? Little milky quartz on it. Look at this big bad boy. Man. Now that is cool. See the light come through it? Oh yeah, man. Pretty cool. So the point is, you know, even if you're mobility challenged, you know, definitely don't let that stop you. Get out there and find your treasure today. Not to mention that, gosh, even if you don't find a whole bunch of agates, find a few cool rocks, you get to be out in the sunshine, you know, just chilling by the river. There's a really good energy about that. Makes you feel better. Right, find your treasure today. Go do it. Nice.
This one's definitely my favorite.
Yeah, look at that.
That
You
one's
have to
my
smile. Wait, put it back up there.
favorite. Sorry.
You gotta
Okay.
smile.
Favorite.
Wow, look at the sun come through that one. Nice.
So this is that still what?
Stilobite.
Stilobite.
Zoolite.
It might be zoolite.
Might be zoolite. Pretty freaking cool.
I like it.
What else you got?
Newaukum carnelian.
This guy's got a little tip on
Wow, check that one
it. Oh,
out.
he's got a little more on the
Got a
back
kind
side.
of a sort of thing going on.
We can use that.
Mold carroty.
Now,
No.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Look at that one.
I want a shot of you too.
So one of these days you'll have
Yeah, baby,
Nice
that's pretty.
these they have a lot of.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
That's the way. I like it. My find.
woohoo! It's Denny's heart.
Oh, isn't that cute? Got a crystal pocket in it too.
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
Nice.
Awesome.
A little bit of Jasper.
Look up.
Little bit
Look
of
up.
Jasper.
Say hi.
Hello.
Look at that.
Oh, but I love, like, this one has the band.
Whoa.
It's a really
Move
good
your
one.
thumb too. You can see them all.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
A little bit of
Nice.
Jasper there.
Yeah, baby.
I got some of them really good.
Oh my. Oh my smile for the camera. Wow.
We got some nice.
Nice. Woohoo.
That was on video there.
Good time had by all. Woohoo!
Got
Rockhound
some
in the-
scores.
Yeah, where are we rocking on that?
Newaukum.
Oh yeah, the Newaukum.
We're walking
Rocks.
Newaukum.
Oh, that's right.
Newaukum. We're walking the Newaukum.
Let's try that
Okay,
again.
let's try it.
Take two.
Well, we are saying goodbye to our walking and the not.
Newaukum. Newaukum. We walking them. We walked them.
Walking them on
That's
the
right.
Newaukum.
And we found some really cool treasures, and we're really grateful to Mother Nature, and we hope you
yeah.
enjoyed it all.
We hope you enjoyed our show.
It was a great time.
Thanks to Janelle for joining us, and
Yay,
thanks to Kari
Janelle.
for joining us. Woo!
You guys rock.
Yes, we rock.
Hey, hey! So what did you guys think?
Hope you liked it.
We do too. We always hope you like it. And we hope you all learned something too.
Yeah.
It's been an interesting couple of days though.
Yeah, we started out at Mayfield Lake and Riff Lake, and we
Not
bombed.
so good. It bombed.
So the next day we went to the Newaukum, and boy, oh
Wow,
boy.
that was fun. The girls
yeah.
really scored.
Yeah, and we got
Hey, I got a few too.
we got to actually pass on some tips, tricks, and secrets.
That was fun.
To yeah.
Seeing them learn and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That was really neat.
It's our passion to pass on these lessons to encourage new rockhounds.
Yeah.
And
Always. That's our job. That's our passion.
exactly. So now, if you have learned something, please consider subscribing to the channel.
Consider it anyways. You know, that's why we're here, is to help you learn to find more rocks, agates,
And cool gems.
Just polish them and tumble them and
Exactly.
everything.
So, also, if you have subscribed, thank you so much.
We really appreciate
y'all. Now, remember, get out there, get rocking, and find your treasure today.